Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need a Google Ads account and a clear goal. Start now by signing in and choosing leads, sales, or website traffic. Once done, select Search as the campaign type and enter your target country and language so your ads reach relevant users. Next, set a daily budget and bidding strategy that matches your goal. For beginners, consider Maximize Conversions or Manual CPC to learn control. Make sure your billing info is current and associated with the account before progressing to keywords and ads. Now build the campaign structure. Create focused ad groups, one theme per group, so your keywords and ads stay relevant. You should add exact, phrase, and broad match modifier keywords to balance reach and precision. Include negative keywords to prevent wasted spend. Then set initial bids at the ad group level and add extensions like site links, callouts, and structured snippets to increase real estate. Once done, layer audience targeting and demographics so your ads serve the right people at the right time. Write 3 responsive search ads per ad group, mixing headlines and descriptions to let Google optimize combinations. Include your main keyword and a clear call to action. Make sure conversion tracking is set up, Gclid, conversion tags, and review policy compliance before launch. After you go live, monitor performance for 48 to 72 hours and then refine bids, pause poor keywords, and swap underperforming ads. If ads aren't serving, check disapprovals, budget pacing, and low search volume flags as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.